Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Ndoji nil nono wakwezon.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanya, Anamekelonu. I found ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the photo cosmetic surgeon. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. So you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So, today's Igbo name of the day is Ndidiamaka. Come on, say that with me. Ndidiamaka. Good. So, shout out to Ndidiamaka for sending her name in. So, I'm gonna translate that name for you. Ndidi means patience, and that's basically the direct translation of that name. Ndidi literally means patience, and Amaka means, well, Ima means to be good, and that ka part at the end just means like really good, greater than, exceedingly better. So Ima means good, or you've probably seen part of that word or variation of that word, Oma. Oma means something good, right? Beautiful or good or things like that. So Ndidiamaka basically means patience is really good, or patience is really beautiful, or patience is something that's really positive, something that you should always have. So it basically is the Igbo version of saying patience is a virtue. So Ndidiamakas tend to be mild-mannered, patient obviously, and tender. They tend to get along well with everybody, and they make friends really easily too. So let me know what you think. Did I get the translation correct? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Like this video and share it with a friend as well too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. If you would like your Igbo name to be featured on the next Igbo Name of the Day, send me a message on my Instagram. All my social media is below. Thanks. Take care. Have a good one.